Music isn't just sounds, it's a powerful business tool. Whether you're a musician, producer, songwriter, or simply someone who loves listening to music, there are countless strategic, innovative, and creative ways to monetize music in 2025 and beyond. Gone are the days when the only way to make money with music was to get signed by a label or land on the radio. Today, ordinary people are building income stream from their love of music, many of them while they sleep. Let's break down some unique and profitable music-based business ideas that can help you escape the 9-to-5 grind, build wealth, and stand out in a crowded industry. The first idea is to curate and sell mood playlists. Streaming platforms like Spotify and Apple Music are gold mines. People are constantly searching for curated playlists that match their mood. Study vibes, romantic dinners, productivity sessions, road trips, or workouts. Some ways to monetize is to sell exclusive playlist access on Patreon or Buy Me a Coffee. Offer brands or sell businesses sponsored placement in your playlists. Build traffic and earn affiliate or ad income through playlist blogs or YouTube Lo-fi channels. Create and sell playlists for weddings, events, or hospitality businesses like hotels, spas, and restaurants. Niche playlists like Morning Motivation for Entrepreneurs or Rainy Night Creativity Boost often perform better than general playlists. The second idea is to launch a music-themed digital product store. If you love music, you can build a digital product business around it, no singing required. Example of digital products you can sell are printable music journal templates, lyric writing workbooks for songwriters, digital planners for musicians and producers, curated song packs, loop kits or presets for producers, Canva templates for music promotion. Sell on Etsy, Gumroad, Payhip, or your own website. If you're a designer, use AI plus Canva or Creative Fabrica to make professional products quickly. The next idea is to create and sell personalized songs or beats. In a world where everything is personalized, why not music? Create custom songs for birthdays, anniversaries, weddings, or brand jingles. Offer voiceovers or short jingles for small businesses. Sell exclusive beats or background tracks to content creators, YouTubers, or podcasters. Platforms like BeatStar, Airgigs, SongBetter, or Fiverr are perfect to get started. The good thing is that you don't have to be a full-time producer. Even looping AI assistant beats or vocals can become a product with the right branding. The next idea is to build a music-based personal brand. Love talking about music? Start a YouTube channel or podcast reviewing albums, breaking down lyrics, or showcasing unknown artists. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, affiliate links, or merch. Collaborate with indie artists to promote their music and get paid. TikTok, Instagram Reel, and YouTube Shorts can help you grow fast with short, engaging content. You don't need expensive gear to start. Authentic passion often outperforms polished production. The next idea is to sell music knowledge. If you know music theory, how to play an instrument, or how to produce beats, your knowledge can make you money. Sell courses, ebooks, or coaching calls. Host virtual music workshops or challenges. Teach on platforms like Skillshare, Teachable, or even via Zoom. Even beginner-friendly lessons sell incredibly well because most people just want to start. Bundle your knowledge in bite-sized, actionable lessons. People love quick wins. The next idea is music merch with a twist. Forget basic t-shirt. Think strategically. Launch merch with lyrics quotes or aesthetic designs. Offer song wave arts, visual song representation of songs. Create QR code linked merch that plays a song or playlist when scanned. Start a subscription box with theme music goodies. Print-on-demand platforms like Printify, Gelato, or Printful makes it easy to start with no inventory. You can also pair every merch piece with a story. It boosts perceived value. The next idea is music and NFTs, digital collectibles. While NFTs are quieter now, digital collectibles are evolving fast. Sell exclusive behind-the-scenes content, unreleased tracks, or lyrics art as limited digital editions. Offer fans ownership perks or access to private live streams. Instead of hype, focus on true value for fans, exclusivity, community, and creativity. The next idea is passive income from stock music and licensing. If you're a creator or musician, you can upload your music to stock music libraries or licensing platforms like Audio Jungle, Epidemic Sound, or Pond5. Businesses, filmmakers, podcasters, and YouTubers pay licensing fees to use your music. Create music with specific use cases in mind, like calming background music, upbeat ads, and podcast intros. Another idea is to host music experience and events. Turn your love for music into offline experiences. Host intimate acoustic nights or music-themed workshops. Partner with cafes, co-working spaces, or Airbnb hosts. Offer music and mindset or music and journaling experiences. These are trending in wellness and travel. Platforms like Airbnb experiences make this easy. Niche experiences attract premium pricing. The final and also the bonus is to create music productivity bundles. Combine music with self-improvement. For example, productivity playlists plus printable journals. Affirmation playlist plus ebook. Lo-fi beats plus digital planner. Sell the bundles as a product on Etsy or Gumroad. It's unique, evergreen, and scalable. Real talk on why this matters. Whether you're a student, a 9-to-5 employee, or a full-time creative, monetizing music is no longer just for superstars. Technology and platforms have removed the middleman. Fans love authenticity more than ever. You can build multiple income streams from one passion. Your love for music can fund your freedom if you get strategic. To win in the music monetization game, pick a niche. Focus on one lane first, example, playlist creation, merch, or beats. Leverage content. Share your journey on social media. That builds trust and traffic. Diversify your income. Don't just rely on one platform. Think like a business. Treat your passion like a brand. Monetize your music life starting now. You don't need to be Beyonce to make money with the music. You just need to be strategic, authentic, and consistent. Your playlist, your voice, your ear, your passion, they're assets. The question is, will you use them? If you found this video helpful, type your favorite music business idea mentioned here today in the comment section below. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with a family member, friend, or someone willing to start a business or a music-related business. Until next time, keep believing in yourself and keep chasing your dreams. You got this.